Hello everybody. Today we're going to play Can You Survive a Train Ride into a Black Hole? This game looks like Can You Survive a Train Ride into a Black Hole? Here we go. Can you survive a train ride into a black hole? Where's the train over there? Okay, let's get in the train. I'm only going to be the riders. We're going to be a train ride. This is, can you survive a train ride into a black hole? Whoa, this train is going really fast. Why is that? That girl went. He wouldn't go like. We couldn't survive a train ride into a black hole. That's so silly. Okay. Let's take another train ride. Nah, that's not a good one. Why am I like that? Oh no! What happened? The train got booted me, but then it... Oh. I keep sneezing all the time because I have allergies. I'm sorry about my voice today, guys. I have a bad cold. I really have a bad cold. So, I'm going in here. I'm going on... Nope, not this one. Let's try doing this. So that girl's gonna wait. Why are they standing on that train? That's so silly. We're going through that. Whoa, there's a black hole. Pow! I'm better at this. Look at that dude. He's following me. Are you kidding me right now? Whoop. There it is. I know why Super Mario Run is a glitch. It is a glitch because I always die in that game. But I'll show you Super Mario Run later. Whoa! And I died. I had a 2 deaths. Don't let that train go without me. Don't let that train go without me. This is our last death. Then we'll quit this game and we'll play something different. Oh, there's the black hole. And boom! That was a monster. Well, but today we're going to be playing Road Trip Story. Road Trip, where are you? Well, but I found Home Depot fire alarms. Look at that. Look at that thing. That looks like spaghetti. That looks like spaghetti of this game. That looks like spaghetti of this game. Home Depot fire alarms. So here we are. Let's go inside Home Depot. Here we are in the Home Depot. What should we do? That's the fire alarm there. Should we pull it? How do we pull it? Oh, look. Oh. Why is this thing? What is this? Whoa, it's so long. What is this? Let's see if we can pull the fire alarm. Is this reset key? Here we go. So, here it goes. What is with this fire alarm? What's this fire alarm? What's this fire alarm? What happened? I'm totally can't get in the wall. I'm totally have this. Totally, I wanna. This fire alarm is going off. What happened to this fire alarm? Let's see. Oh, it's because this fire alarm is fake. I know this one is fake. This fire alarm is fake. So this fire alarm is stupid. Oh, look at that. This is so adorable. What's that hole? What's this hole? This is turning into a disaster. Okay. So let's try another one. So here we go. Let's try another one. Let's try another one. Let's see if we can try another one. Here we go. Let's go to the girls' restroom. That fire alarm. I need to use the bathroom. I need to use the bathroom. I need to use the bathroom. I need to use the bathroom before I go out. Nice, I'm in the fire. I'm right in the bathroom. I'm done using the bathroom. Let's go outside. In case I have that, there's a fire alarm. And here we are. And it looks like I'm going to turn the fire off. That was it. That was my day of that. Here we go. Guys, bye.